Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you another. This is a 2024 JCB 1CXT Pro. So I had one of these we just sold back in December. It had 23 hours on it. Another JCB dealer reached out to me and said, hey, I have a couple. Are you interested? So I bought another one. I really like these machines. Very cool, very user-friendly. They truthfully are a track skid loader and an excavator in one. So if you're somebody that you need to fit an application, you don't have enough money to buy both, but you want both, best of both worlds, here's something to look at. This unit's coming with an OEM 72-inch JCB OEM bucket. There is an OEM 48-inch set of pallet forks available. I'm just going to put it with the machine. If you don't want the forks, let us know. We'll take a little off the price. That's what we did with the other customer. This is a high-flow model. This unit does have a backup camera system already in it that the customer installed, and it's got cameras on it everywhere, which is awesome. 18-inch rear bucket, offsettable backhoe, rubber tracks. What is neat about these machines, they have no emissions on them. So they are achieving this without a DPF or diesel additive or anything like that. They're 49 horse, really a cool running working machine, very powerful. We had a lot of people interested in the other one we sold. So here's another one. It's got 38 original hours. This unit was sold new, let's see here, March 29th of 2024. And it will have full bumper-to-bumper warranty until March the 28th of 2026. And then it's going to have what they're calling emissions warranty, even though there isn't, on the engine. It's going to cover your injectors and different things like that related to the engine until March 28th of 2029. So what they actually done, warranty is transferred into my name, and it can be transferred then to anyone else. There's no warranty claims on the machine. It was actually out of a dealer's demo stuff. Very nice machine. Again, like new unit. These are like all but $100,000 machine, and there is a massive discount buying this particular machine from us. So we're going to walk you around this. We're going to start you right up here in the engine compartment. Then we're going to walk you around the machine. It is bitter cold here today in Pennsylvania. We're doing some videos here just to get caught up on some stuff that our guys have had ready and through the shop and detailed. Everything here, this is going to be a 4-cylinder Perkins turbo diesel, and again, they have no DPF muffler on these. They are achieving emissions without that, and my hat's off to Perkins. They figured that out. This is common rail injected. I did verify everything on this machine. It was PDI F22. It was the employee number that did it, and we have verified and have a screenshot of the year of everything on this, so it is 100% a 2024 year model machine, okay? I'm going to go ahead and shut that door. I flung some dirt back on this whenever I was taking the photos. This does have a pretty cool little square cut key. Goes in here and locks the hood. This does have a block heater on it also. This side's going to be your standard flow hydraulics. This is going to be used over here on this side for like your grapples and auger, different attachments like that, an open and close style function. Side over here is going to be your high flow setting with case drains. If you want to run a brush cutter or something, continuous flow all the time, you can run this high flow side, which is a pretty cool deal that they've done. 72-inch OEM JCB bucket, serial tags on it, bolt-on cutting edge. Very nice bucket, you can see. This is hardly anywhere at all. Obviously, it's a 38-hour machine. Again, up front here, as I said, a JCB pallet and forks we have available. 48-inch, like brand new. These actually come in out of another deal, but they were JCB branded. And I thought, hey, we have a package here. We'll put it together. We'll show you here around on the tracks. Tracks are like brand new, OEM JCB, obviously. It's a 2024 model machine. Drive sprockets, idlers, everything's 100%. Coming here to the back. So, this is where it is extremely unique. So, this is the 1CXT Pro. Again, auxiliary hydraulics on the boom. It is an Extenda Hoe. You do have the side shift backhoe. Now, today, I'm going to shift it for you to center probably. I may just let it there. What I find, like when I did the other video, some of you guys can go back and watch our other video, the one we did in December. today the ground's froze and it's hard to get the teeth down in to get it. You have to do that to get that to bite so that you can basically, all you're doing is you're pulling the boom side to side. And what it uses, there's a set of hydraulic pucks here that sandwich the boom section to the back frame. Extremely cool design, works very well. What it allows you to achieve is you can do a lot of nice wall digging with this machine, odd angles. You can get in and manipulate with this machine to make that work. You do have that Extenda Hoe, but why I have it folded up the way I do right now, you can see how convenient this machine would be. Look how compact you become. You become a very compact small track loader now. Right over here, you're going to have your master switch. Underneath here houses your battery. Serial numbers up front. We're going to go ahead and take you up here to the cab, and we're going to show you some stuff inside the cab. So, getting in the machine, side entry. We open the door up here. There's going to be your swivel seat, high back. You have a convenient foot cleat here. Simply foot cleat onto the track, into the machine, and I'm in. So, now, when I swivel around, here I am looking very forward. You can have great visibility of your bucket. Before someone asks, those two little pins, what they're for, we're going to switch around here, you can see, you can actually take and pin up the outriggers. If you see that little red plate protruding from the outrigger mount, those pins are actually there to lock those outriggers up. Serial plate. Now, we're going to go over here. I'm going to go ahead and start the machine up. So what this is, you can control your speed of the machine. Off of that, down here you have a foot throttle. You have your cab heat and air conditioning controls. Focus. And a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. There's your high flow switch. 38.1 hour. All your controls and selectors, hand throttle. Up here, the gentleman purchased this and had it put in. Very, very nice backup camera. That's a forward camera. It's actually up here at my hand. There's another camera up front on all corners. Very, very, very nice camera system. You can turn it on, turn it off. It works, I believe, with CarPlay. You can see, you can go in, put music in it, different things. But it is in the thing. Very nice setup. Very expensive backup camera, but it's in it. Both window here is going to slide and lock in place. So, we'll swivel around here real quick. You have a second locking place right here. Now, this button, when you push that, and we're in backhoe mode, that green light's going to come on, okay? Now, we have to be on backhoe mode. If we want to be on loader mode, we turn it over to loader mode. We go ahead, we swivel our seat. We're in loader mode now. We're going to push that, green light's going to come on. It's going to be for auxiliary hydraulics. That's going to be a horn, but this is your basically push to operate button. Dome light. There is a quick startup guide here. You can go right to JCB. It'll get you a manual. Now, I'm going to turn this back over to Ben. Again, you do have a pattern selector down here. I'm sorry, it's over here. This is an auxiliary lock, outriggers, and then this is to pull up and slide the backhoe, okay? I'm going to go ahead and give this to Ben. I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. I'm going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll start here at the backhoe. So, as I said in my other videos on these machines, I think, truthfully, one of the biggest things is being backhoe mode. We don't have a lot of guys go out and promote and really educate people on these machines. They are such a cool machine. If you truthfully have, you know, an application where you need one machine, here is a machine to take a look at. It is extremely smooth, extremely cool. What I like about this machine, if you need a skid loader, you need a rubber track skid loader, and you need a backhoe, an excavator, here is a machine that will dual purpose, okay? It gives you lots of reach. other nice thing is you can see truthfully the kind of different situations you can manipulate this machine to get in. You have that extra dig right there for the Extenda Hoe. Very cool. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull up and I'm going to unlock this slide. And basically with the ice we have today, now what I've done there, I've taken and I've pivoted the backhoe over. I can get the right spot here, guys, and I do apologize. What I did in our other videos, I was able to stick my teeth right down in the ground. And keep in mind, guys, we don't rehearse any of this. This is exactly how I do it. Okay, right there. Now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to lock that back. Now, you can see I've transversed that boom over right to the other side. And you can see what I've done there, okay? Very cool. Now you can also see that what I've done is I can now bring the backhoe up, okay? I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put it in its stowed position, swing it right around just like so, and there I am, okay? I'll go ahead and pull my riggers up. So you see how compact we are now. I'm going to go ahead and flip over to skid loader mode. Man, does this thing have a heater in it. It'll about roast you out. Okay, we're in skid loader mode. We're going to go ahead and hit our activation button. Counter rotate the tracks. Like I said in my other video, this machine is honestly like a little tank. It is extremely impressive what it'll do. I played with the other one a good bit. Good visibility, you can see nice. You still have your ability to run and hook on to standard skid loader quick attach attachments. You have that ability. Now I'm digging down that ice here. You have that ability to take and you have that ability to be a 2-in-1 machine per se. And that is mighty appealing to a guy who honestly does not have enough work for 2 different machines, or these machines being under 10,000 pounds, so it's 90, I think these weigh 9,600. You want to try to avoid basically being stopped and looked at by DOT. Technically, you know, you could haul this. It's a, like I said, under 10,000 pound machine. You could haul it fairly legally with a lot of hassle and aggravation, which is good. Biggest thing with this machine is it still is under full warranty. That's a big deal today. We like stuff like this. We'll bring a nice piece to market, something that has warranty, something that is truthfully affordable priced compared to what a lot of guys are asking. I think there's just still some guys out there unrealistic in today's market pricing. The foot throttle is nice. I don't mean to jump around, but I just think JCB has a very well executed product. And I do believe that it fits just like the gentleman that bought the other one said. He said, I've looked at these and looked at these. He said, I just could not stomach that new price. He said, because this is what fits my needs. And so, you know, here's a machine that a guy can save a lot of money on, still have warranty, still have a nice machine, have a very nice backup camera system. Machine's 100% ready to go to work. Again, we've done a very nice in-depth video on the other unit. Today here it's only about 22 degrees. Tomorrow we're going to have bitter cold. But, you know, my main purpose here today is to educate you on this machine, okay? I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to dismount the tractor. We're going to come up here and we're just going to kind of show you. So anything that I have not found on these machines that they offer, they don't have a power quick attach on them. So we're just going to unhook it like a traditional skid steer coupler, and I'm going to go ahead and unhook from it. That way you can kind of see what to expect when you are unhooking. I'll go ahead here and set the bucket down. So right now I have taken and I have unhooked, and I can see, believe it or not, I have now just made myself a forklift, and you can see how easy that was. One other nice thing we'll show, I'll turn to the side, you can kind of see, look at the amount of rollback you have with that unit. You will never get that out of a skid loader. So that's nice if you're handling pipe, conduit, different things like that. You have that ability to roll back, hold the load back, which is nice. Guys, there's always give and take in a machine. There's just, oh, sorry. There's a lot in this machine that there is a lot of advantages to compared to other machines in the market. Let's go out here now real quick. Again, I'm trying to show you guys a real life scenario. Latched. We're gonna head over to this side. Latch. One thing I like to do, like there, I can feel them. Always make sure there's pins that fell back down in, especially this time of year. If you get snow in the back of an attachment, snow will get built up here, especially if you go to pick something up out of a snow bank, or you've had setting, it's got snow on it. Always make sure that latches, okay? Just a little safety tip of the day. So, again, you're buying a machine here that is under full factory warranty. You do have that emissions warranty left. Rear view mirror package. Has horn front and back, actually. And again, it's a very stable little machine. It's a unique machine to this industry and how it works. Extremely cool. Again, I'm really glad that we can find stuff like this that is nice to sell. It's a nice clean piece. So, guys, you got any questions on this 2024 JCB 1CXT Pro? Please give myself a call or Ben. Glad to help you. Again, 38-hour machine. It's going to come with a factory JCB 72-inch front loader bucket with bolt-on cutting edge. It's going to come with an 18-inch factory bucket in the back. Set of 48-inch pallet forks, OEM JCB. Guys, very nice setup. It's 100% ready to go to work. Again, under full warranty, fully transferred to the new owner. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Thanks for sticking with us. This is the 2025 season. This is the first couple videos we're making of the season. So look forward to serving you guys. If you got some needs on some things, let us know. You never know what we might have in stock. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.